What's up, guys, and how's everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in and checking out my channel. Returning subscriber, thanks for stopping back. Please consider subscribing. We are up here. It is Saturday evening. Pretty humid outside this evening. Doing that weekly walk. The U.S. peso is 51.30. What's the Australian dollar? 39. 38 Australian dollar. What about the pound? 62. 66.5. All right. There it is, 66.5. The ladies are very nice right here. Like I said, it's pretty humid out this evening. But we're gonna do our weekly walk. Let me spin this around. There we go. Flip around. There's my bodyguard. We are doing 4K, 30 frames per second. You know what? Let me do a little walk and talk, a little rant. You guys just check out the scenery as I'm doing my little walk and talk rant. Yes, that was a lady boy. You guys, I want to let you know, all right, if you're coming here to Hanghale City as a tourist, you know, going to participate in all the fun activities here, guys, remember one thing. When you go, I got to get past this. For some reason, this new iced tea place here on the right wants everybody to know that they're open, and they got music playing very loud. So let me get past it, and I will continue my stroll. That's brand new. Let me get on past there. Right outside JJ's. You guys, when you come here, don't think you are like the hottest dude showing up. Like you think you're like the gift to all the women. You know, you walking in at 325 pounds, nothing but solid blubber, black teeth, gums all messed up, smelling like you just got out of the pig pen. You're not God's gift to these women. If a woman in a bar says, no, I don't want you to buy me a drink. No, I don't want to go with you. Don't get mad. Don't get upset. Don't cry. They don't have to go with you. They don't have to accept your ladies' drink. They don't. You know, and then what happens is you'll have guys that'll cry. I'm going to tell the manager. I'm going to tell the manager. And I just think it's funny. They don't have to go with you. You know, and I see it here, and I've seen it, and I've read it. Some of these forums here where the guys get mad. You know, these are the same guys that walk in with a bottle of water because they're too cheap to even buy a drink for themselves. These are guys that, you know, when their water bottle's empty, they run over to Kokomo's. Can you fill this up with some service water? They walk into the bars, and they're so cheap. These girls know they're cheap, and then they get mad because a girl doesn't want to sit with them, or a girl gets up and walks away from them and goes over and sits with somebody else that they know has got money, and then they get mad. I'm going to tell the manager. Let me tell the manager. Like I said, guys, they do not have to accept your drink, and they do not have to go leave with you. Now, some of the bars will push the girls. They will. They'll push these girls, and it don't matter. Bar's about making money. But yeah, just remember that they don't have to. 5130 down here. This here is Old Club, I think. This Old Club music bar. I think that just recently opened, didn't it? The old that club. I think so. Hello. traffic seems pretty late. You know, it is still Holy Week. A lot of people left. You know, they'll do a lot of traveling here on the Holy Week, spend time with family and friends. The malls and stuff just did open up today. They were closed for 2 days, but not these bars. They open all the time. 24, hey buddy.
No holiday.
Huh?
No holiday.
There's no holiday here. These girls work all the time. They work Christmas. They are 24/7. No, the girls do have 1 day off a week, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, once a week the girls will have off. So beyond that, they work every night. We're hiring. What's a
Promodizer.
What is a promodizer? What?
Like promodizer, like I think you make the promo, like give the what's that called?
Waitress?
No, it's a promodizer. We call it promodizer. If you promote their business.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're hiring a promoter.
Yeah.
Well, I do the.
Promodizer, like you promote their business. Like,
Right. Well, I can do it.
Like this one.
I can do it. Hey, how are you, buddy? How are you? Hang on. Let me turn this off here. All right, back on. Ran into subscribers, and just talked a little bit with the subscribers. Kevin, I think Kevin was his name. Nice guy. No, I'm good, buddy. I'm good. There they are. There are the ladies. Hi, ladies. Looking good, ladies. Phillies is happening. Looks like they got a. Hey, Anna. Good. Looks like they got a rugby game going on in there. You always run into Anna. Yeah, let me walk down here quick. Let me walk down here. Nah. The vitamin alley. What? Shellis. Yeah, the vitamin alley. Mother India. Never ate in Mother India. But I got to do something here, Lud. Lud, I want you to film me. Okay. I got the mic on. Because you know what? I got a subscriber, and he always says this, and he started saying this and leaving comments from the last time we were up at the zoo up on Clark. He goes, I want more tweaking. I want more nipple tweaking. So, buddy, I'm here to do some nipple tweaking. Got some nipple tweaking in it, just for you. You know who you are. Nipple tweaking on a Saturday night up on Walking Street, Fields Avenue. Dave's Kebab here. Their lights are on. I've heard nothing but good things about Dave's Kebab here. They redid this whole thing while the lockdown was going on. I've never eaten in there, but never have ever once heard anybody say anything bad about Dave's Kebab. Dave's Kebab. Down there is the chocolate resto.
Yeah.
They used to be brown sugar. But I wanted to shoot up this road here quick and show you. There's quite a few people walking here. Where are they all going? Chocolate resto and bar. Huh. Right here. The Body Shop. Yes, the Body Shop is open now. Body Shop is open. All right, Body Shop. And this here is open. This is the Body Shop. And then this massage place right here. So somebody asked, these bars down here, Show Bar and the other ones, they're still closed.
That one there?
Yeah, they're still closed. But this one is open. Hello. So if you're here visiting, come down here and show the Body Shop a little love. Las Vegas is still closed. Still, when I drive by there, they are still they're still working on it. Isn't that the same dude they have at Kokomo's?
Huh?
Isn't that the same dude they have at Kokomo's? I know, we're going to go down to Kokomo's and look. I think it's the same dude.
I don't really pay attention.
You don't pay attention.
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't even know that there is a guy who goes and is sitting down. Like that one down.
Right.
I don't have idea.
No, buddy. Ice truck. Guys, it's warm out, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty humid. There's no breeze in the air, it's just stale. Stale. Why are they trying to swap out? Buddy, I'm good. I'm good, buddy. Whew.
Is it hot?
It is muggy out.
Lucky?
Club Atlantis.
Seems like very, very tough. I don't feel like time is like dead.
Yeah, it seems pretty empty.
It seems like very crazy volume.
Well, I think what it is because of the holiday.
Oh yeah.
These girls will go home during the holiday. Some, yeah.
And I think it's also early, right?
No, it's around 7:30.
7:30.
Yeah, somewhere around there. Soon to open. There it is. There's the sign up there. Soon to open, guys. They're looking for pole dancers, head waitresses, waitress, mama-san, girls, utilities, checkers, bartenders, house officer, and choriel.
Oreo.
What's choriel?
No clue.
No clue. But there it is, guys. Soon to open.
I think Oreo when you go like sit outside, that's like kind of sit down.
Oh, yeah. The perch at Kokomo's is full. There's probably more people perched on Kokomo's than there is walking up the street. Yeah. There's Lucifer's. Satan's Playground, walking street. They even got a Lucifer's here. Satan's Playground, Lucifer. Yeah, we were in there before when it wasn't called Lucifer's. It was something else, yeah. Well, the church is full of people. Where? Shooters?
Soon, yeah. She left down there.
Oh, yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, I know this guy over here. Big black dude. Hang on. Oh, hang on. All right, back on we go. Ran into another subscriber. Hey, looks like he's doing pretty well tonight. Oh, Champagne. Hey, Champagne. Hello. All right. Old Champagne. Pajama day. Ah, they got a pajama day going on in that bar. It's like a full moon up there, huh? Look.
Oh, where? Oh, that one there?
There, yeah. There's been talk about Grand Central. Just talk. Nobody knows what's going on with the Grand Central. I wish they would open. I like their food in there. Plus, it was a nice place just to sit, people watch. Wait, Royal Amsterdam now opening?
Yeah, the hotel.
Huh. I'll ask them. Royal Amsterdam open now?
Yeah.
They are open. All right, buddy. Thank you. So the Royal Amsterdam is now open, and they're hiring. So I know people ask about that. So yes, they are open. For some reason, my buttons are messed up on my GoPro.
That's the also like in DGI. Because you need to constantly watch it.
Well, what happened is the button when I hit it to pan up and down, it zooms in and out.
Yeah, because sometimes
Because I hit a wrong button.
boom.
I hit a wrong button. Now it's set for that, so I can zoom. I don't know how well it zooms in and out. What's she say? Video what?
Video pa more.
What's that mean?
It's just an expression, like just video pa more. Like you keep doing the video more and more and more. It's just like expression for
So they didn't yell at me.
no,
Oh, all right.
just like video pa more.
Gold bar open. What's that say? See Nipple.
Hmm?
See there? Zoom out. I'll fix. I'm not a big, like I had said in the past, I'm not a big fan of the DJI. It does great here in this low light, but I'm not a big fan of the DJI Pocket 2. Oh, this place here. Soft opening. I had said that was open, I think the last time I went down through here. Welcome, soft opening. It's called the Dragon Bar. So that there, soft opening. I don't know if I want to go up there and get drunk and fall down the steps. All right. Aurora Bar. That's new. Isn't that new?
Where?
Aurora Bar.
This one?
That used to.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Soft?
That's new. Soft opening.
Yeah. What's that?
Tara Tara, they said closed. Was that Tara Tara? I don't know. I should have. The Tara Tara bar closed. I don't know which one the Tara Tara bar was. Oh, no, thank you. All right. They open, they close. They open, they close. That's the way it works here. Except for the ones that have been here for a while, they still remain open. The smaller ones. Thing is, the Korean ones. What's up, buddy? The Korean ones, they open, they close. They open, they close. They open, they close. I heard many stories and many reasons why that happens, but I have never really confirmed it. It's just all chismis. So, all right, let me pop this thing around. There we go. Once again, guys, here it is. That's the latest. That's what's going on. You guys see it. Like I said, guys, when you come here, remember, these girls do not have to go out with you. They do not have to accept a drink from you. They don't have to. No matter how much money that you have in your pocket, they don't have to. So just remember that. Guess what? One doesn't, go to another place. Go to another place. You'll find your dream girl here eventually. So, all right, guys, with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, leave some comments below, and we will talk to you later.